In this video, you'll learn how to buy Dogecoin on Binance. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to successfully purchase Dogecoin using the Binance platform. Start by navigating to the Binance website. Once you're on the home page, locate the login button, typically found in the upper right corner. After clicking this button, enter your account credentials and proceed to log in. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before continuing. Once logged in, look for the option to deposit funds. You can choose to deposit either fiat currency or cryptocurrency. Ensure that your balance is sufficient to cover the purchase of Dogecoin. Additionally, verify that Dogecoin trading is available in your region, as this can vary depending on local regulations. Next, you will need to access the spot trading section of the platform. Look for the markets tab or a similar option in the main menu. Once you're in the market section, use the search bar to find the Dogecoin trading pair, which is typically denoted as Doge. Select the appropriate trading pair that matches your deposit currency, for example, Doge/USD. After selecting the pair, take a moment to review the current market price displayed on the screen. After reviewing the market price, you are ready to buy Dogecoin. Locate the order entry section on the trading interface. Here, you will need to enter the amount of Dogecoin you wish to purchase. Decide whether you want to place a market order, which buys at the current market price, or a limit order, where you set a specific price at which you want to buy. Once you've made your selection and entered the amount, click the Buy Doge button to confirm the trade. It is important to double check all details before finalizing your order. Once you confirm the purchase, Binance will process your order. Depending on market conditions, this may take a few moments. After the transaction is completed, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your order was successful. To verify your purchase, navigate to your wallet section within your Binance account. Here you can check your Dogecoin balance to ensure that the coins have been credited to your account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.